Hi everyone, welcome to Natural Hair Healing. I'm Sheila Caterine. I'm a spiritual hair expert, and my mission is to make people aware of the importance of having natural, healthy hair. Your hair, your crown. Today's video is so special. I have a beautiful guest. Welcome to Erica. She's a beautiful model and a student. She's the sweetest, beautiful girl. Her beauty is from other times. She's so classic and so elegant. And today is all about healing, cleaning the energies because the hair stores energy, and healing the hair and growing the hair till the end of her days. She's gonna live forever because energy is forever. Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My gosh. She's not from here. Her soul, even her, she's not from here. She's stunning. My gosh. So for today's hair treatment, I will be using my natural hair healing products made by me with love. This is my scalp detox oil, my scalp massager. With this quartz, I'm gonna be working on her and cleaning the energies. This is a brush that is old, has more than 120 years. And yeah, so I will be showing you all the treatment that I will be doing on her hair and how I clean the energy. And so get ready, be patient, get some cacao, some tea, and enjoy. So this is her hair. I cut her hair like more than 6 months ago. Uh, and as you see, she has beautiful long hair, but I need some extra care. A little trim and bring the hair back to life. And it's not just cutting the hair, no. You need to connect with the person energy, doing it with love and with care, with patience, connecting not only with the hair, with the energy. While you are working or while I'm working with the person here, I'm connecting with their guides, with their angels. Sometimes God put in my mouth words for, for them to communicate them a message. So as you see, we need to trim the hair a little bit. It's more than 6 months. While I'm brushing her hair from the ends to the roots, always brush your hair in this way. Never start detangling your hair from the roots, always from the ends to the roots. Be very gentle. You can start first with your fingers. With patience, you can apply some oil on your hair first, on your hands, and then detangle your hair with your fingers, and then you can use a brush to finish. So that's what I'm doing now. You see her hair is so beautiful, her natural color, my goodness. But yeah, her hair needs some extra love and to clean energies. What I feel at the first time is she was holding energy from people, and that's not good because sometimes you can feel heavy, tired, sad, and it's not you, it's not your energy. So that's why I always say protect your hair. Don't wear your hair down when there's a lot of people around you. Your head, your crown. A perfect creation of nature, of God, a beautiful result of our DNA, our ancestors, you know. So Embrace who you are, love who you are, and take care of what you have. Like, your hair is so beautiful, so unique. Like, it's a lot of monas out there, but no one like you, and no one has your hair. A lot, like, bunch of monas with pelo mono hair, but not like you, like yours, you know. Beautiful. I'm gonna apply it to you. I'm gonna apply natural healing. Before applying my scalp detox oil, I'm brushing her hair, and what I'm doing is moving all the natural oils to each hair strand. Your natural oils is the best product that you can apply on your hair. It depends if you have a healthy eating, a healthy lifestyle, your oils are going to be the best for your hair. So take care of what you are putting in your body. Yeah. Got it. Let's see these things. Yeah, we need to keep your eyes on your hair because you have a lot of split ends.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the water, maybe it's the products that you're using. It's like
6 months is a long time. I think they just.
no, babe, but it's not to have the hair like split ends.
Really?
No.
How much?
If you take
how much
care
you
of
have to
your
cut off?
hair, if you have a really good care of your hair, you don't have to cut your hair like maybe once in a year.
How much do you have to cut off?
Huh?
How much do you have to cut off?
Let's see. I'm not gonna call like crazy, but I'm gonna call like what I see that we really need because yeah, you have split ends, a lot of split ends, and no bueno.
No bueno.
It's so easy to damage your hair. If you're going to sleep with wet hair, it's not good. If you wash your hair every day, not good. If you use any type of products, if you wear your hair in a bun the whole day, if you're not protecting your hair at sleep time, so be careful. So now we are going to cut her hair bangs. Pretty long. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna cut the bangs like this. It's just a technique, super easy, as you see. Two or three twists, and then you just cut the hair. Super easy. Another tip, don't cut your hair any day, anytime, or if you are in your menstrual period. Today I'm cutting her hair following the moon phases, the native calendar. I learned this from my grandmother, my beautiful queen. The natural hair healing oil.
So you put this on before you wash it.
So can you hold this for me, please? Okay, put your head. Where do you feel like some itchy or irritation?
Oh, you put it on your scalp.
Yeah, this oil is just for your scalp. It's scalp detox. Yeah, you have some irritation on your scalp, baby.
Name change.
Hmm?
I'm just reading these.
And you what, baby?
I was just reading these.
Oh yeah, read the ingredients. Smell it.
Do you So you formulate this yourself, but do you
Sí.
get like where like do you have the bottles and stickers, or do you have that done somewhere else?
I did it, everything by
Wow,
myself. My scalp detox oil is 100% organic, vegan, The ingredients are the best for all scalp types. Is food for your scalp, handcrafted by me with love with the best intentions. I put each oil under the moon energy to charge the oil and send it to you. It's available on my website, Natural Hair Healing. This oil is only for your scalp if you have dry scalp, itchiness, eczema, acne, yes, acne, dry scalp, irritation, inflammation, and even if you have a little pimple, you can apply it on the little pimple at nighttime. Is a good oil to relax before nighttime. So yeah, it's not because it's my product, but it's beautiful. Natural hair healing and my natural. Use it for your skin too. Like to massage your skin. Put your head like this.
I would use this before I wash it.
Yeah, this is a scalp treatment. You can even like brush all the oil down. Massaging her scalp very gentle using my natural hair healing scalp massager made from cedar wood. It's so natural. The smells is amazing, and what I see, and I'm like, oh wow! It's like hair natural color is the same color as the beautiful tree that you see. You see this beautiful, beautiful tree is the same color as her natural hair color. You see how nature connect with us. We are part of nature, of Mother Earth, of Gaia. We are her babies. We are one with all connect. We are all connecting with nature, with all the beings. So let's enjoy nature, let's connect with nature, let's embrace nature, let's take care of ourselves with natural ingredients. Embrace yourself, embrace your crown. As you see, I'm not massaging her scalp uh, like a round massage. No, all my massage is in the same direction, very gentle, with my fingertips and my scalp massager. Never use your nails. Be gentle, you don't want to hurt your skin. Okay? Protect your skin. A healthy scalp is a healthy growth. Now, one of my favorite parts, I'm going to clean the energy that she's holding in her hair. The hair stores energy. Your hair connects with the energies around, with nature energy, with people's energy. Your hair is your 5G, your antennas. A healthy scalp, a healthy hair is a healthy mind, is a healthy growth. Your mind, if your hair is healthy, your mind is in peace. If your hair is unhealthy and damaged, like chemical damage, you're gonna feel down, depressed, cold. Take care of your hair. Take care of your beautiful veil, your crown. So what I'm doing with this quartz, I'm removing the energy, and it's not just playing around with the quartz. No, I'm connecting with her, and I'm removing the energies I'm cleaning the energies, and I'm bringing light energy to her hair. She's gonna feel better and peace. Sometimes we have some crazy things in our mind, and that's not even our 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 thoughts. It's because we are holding energy from other people. So always wear your hair in a protected hairstyle if you are around a lot of people. So as you see, I'm cleaning the energy. I charge this quartz under the full moon, the past full moon, and I was waiting for this moment. I don't reuse this quartz. I have to clean the energy and charge the quartz under the moon. After I clean the energy, I'm massaging and removing some extra energy, and I'm putting love. As you see, I'm shaking my hands and taking my and even my energy, and now it's just her energy and her hair, all clean, all beautiful. After this, we had some goddesses talk. Then I wash her hair with my natural hair healing shampoo, my detox conditioner. Then I deep conditioning her hair with my enhancing conditioner, and I style her hair. And ta-da! Look at the beautiful results. Look how beautiful and full and healthy her hair. Oh my gosh, so beautiful, and she's gorgeous. My God bless her. Look how gorgeous. I love her natural hair color. Look, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Babes, embrace your hair. There is no bad, ugly hair. Your hair just needs love, patience, and care. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join the community. See you next time. Bye bye.